Hello, what's up guys? Profit and Rich over here, and I hope you're doing great today. So today I want to talk about these entries that I did take on volatility 10 index and what I saw in the market before deciding to jump right into the market and execute my entries, guys. So I'll start my analysis all the way from the daily time frame, going all the way to the 1 hour time frame, and show you guys what I saw in the market before deciding to take these entries, guys. So as you can see, I'm already on the daily time frame, guys. So the market on the daily time frame was trending downwards. The market was trending downwards before coming back to this resistance area over here, and the market did fail to break above this area and gave us these double tops. Let me zoom the market right now so that you can see, guys, these. So the market came up to this resistance area, failed to break above this area, went down, came back and gave us this beautiful double top over here. And normally, guys, when you see a double top in the market, that's an opportunity for you to start looking for sales in key areas like this, guys. So let's go down to the 4 hour time frame and see what the market is doing there, guys. So before we go down to the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, right now we are on a correction, guys. So after the market giving us this impulse move, we are on this correction, guys. So maybe this is an opportunity for us to take short-term sales maybe to this area over here. If the market fails to break below this area, it will push us all the way to this to test this support, this resistance above here. But if the market does break below this area, which means that that would be another opportunity for us, guys, to go in the market and go in for more sales, guys. So let me go down to the 4 hour time frame and show you what the market is doing there. So in the 4 hour time frame, guys, as you can see, the market is giving us impulse and corrections. Let me just expand this so that you can see, guys. So the market gave us this. The market initially was trending upwards, so it went up, gave us this double top, as you've already seen from the daily time frame. Went up, gave us this double top, broke below this area and gave us this beautiful impulse move to this area. And right now what the market is doing on the 4 hour time frame, guys, we are on a correction, and when we look at the market on this, and when we look at the market at this area, the market has already broken below this, which means that the market now will give us more opportunities to sell, guys. So let me show you what I saw, guys, before I took my entries, because I took my entries on the 1 hour time frame. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame and see what the market is doing down there. So on this 1 hour time frame, guys, you can see from the 4 hour time frame, we've seen the market gave us this beautiful impulse move, and right now we are having this correction, and you can see the market has broke below this area, showing us that now the market will continue going downward, which means this is an opportunity, guys, for people to look for more sales in the market. So what did I do, guys? What did I see in the market before taking my entries, guys? So what I saw in this market is the market was giving us these beautiful structures over here. You normally let the market communicate to you, because if you already know what you're looking in the market, guys, you'll understand what the market is trying to tell you, guys. So the market came up, gave us this a left shoulder over here, went down, gave us this head over here, and went down again when it came up to give us these right shoulder over here. So after seeing this right shoulder over here, and the market failing to break above this beautiful resistance over here, so I started looking for sales, because I anticipated the market will now start going downwards to respect this structure over here, guys. So I took my first entry here. Of which I took this entry because on the lower time frame, guys, I saw that the market has now started respecting this area, because as you can see on the lower time frame, I saw the market started respecting this head and shoulder, and I took my first entry at this point, guys. So I took this first entry at this point. Then the market went down, came up again, gave us this double top, and we went all the way down here. So I added my other entry at this point and waited for the market to break below this neckline before going in to add my other entries, guys. So after the market broke below this neckline over here, I already knew the market will start going downwards, but I did expect the market to give us this correction before continuing going upwards. So I mean, before continuing going downwards to give us more sell entries, guys. So the market did come, it broke below this neckline over here. After breaking below this neckline over here, I did take my entries down here. Actually, I had some sell stops around this area because I was expecting if the market does fail to break above this area, maybe we'll continue going down. So after the market breaking out below this area, this neckline, that's a sign that the market now will start trending downwards for some time, guys. So I took my entries around this area. Then I expected the market will give us this pullback. Maybe it could have gone all the way to this trend line up here before continuing going downwards. But as you can already see, the market did respect this neckline, and it did not continue going up. So we went down, and right now, as you can already see, I had already taken my entries, and I've not closed these entries, guys. Let me show you how they are going right now. So as you can see already, we are on 257 profits floating, guys. So I'm still holding these entries. I'm expecting my first take profit to be around this area, which is our first key area. Then if the market does break below this area, I'll be expecting the market to go all the way down to this area down here. Yeah, so for now guys, I'm still holding these trades. And let's see how it goes, guys. So that's what I saw in this market before deciding to take my entries, guys, before deciding to take my entries on this area. So yeah. So guys, I'll come back for more breakdown on this pair. And thank you for watching my video, and this is ProfitNet signing out, guys. So thank you for watching my video, and this is ProfitNet signing out, guys. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.